Patch cables and adapters are far more than simple accessories. They form the critical physical layer between devices, links, and platforms, making complete system connectivity possible in real projects. In B2B environments, these products bridge different interface standards, maintain continuous data, video, audio, control, and power links, support installation and maintenance, and solve the real problem of connecting complete systems on-site. Many on-site failures are not caused by the main equipment itself. They come from poor contact, incorrect interface matching, insufficient bandwidth, non-standard conversion, and weak cable management. All affect uptiming, maintenance cost, and project admission. The optical connection group includes PIPILs, fiber patch cords, and fiber adapters or couplings. Together, they support fiber termination, device interconnection, and structured optical distribution in ODF rooms, racks, and telecom cabinets. For high-density deployment and commissioning, MPO or MTP trunk and breakout cables support scalable backbone interconnection, while attenuators, loopback modules, and test adapters help engineers verify and tune optical links with precision. The network connection group ranges from standard Ethernet patch cards to slim high-density versions and shielded industrial cables, each designed for different rack density, airflow, interference resistance, and site conditions. RJ45 adapters, console cables, and serial conversion cables play a practical role in field maintenance and system integration, helping engineers adapt interfaces, access control ports, and connect leggy or industrial devices efficiently. Video connectivity covers HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C video links, interface converters, and KLV or AV extension cables, enabling stable display output, long-distance transmission, and compatibility across mixed device environments. Audio patch cables and audio adapters solve the practical challenge of connecting different analog and digital audio interfaces, helping meeting rooms, studios, and live systems maintain stable and compatible signal flow. USB data cables, USB adapters, and multi-port expansion products help modern workstations connect peripherals, add network access, output video, and simplify desktop integration across office and meeting environments. Specialized products such as DSA and ACO internets, voice patch cables, power adapters, and project-specific converters extend this category from high-speed rack links to legacy integration, temporary adaptation, and device-level power matching. These solutions are widely used across data centers, structured cabling, surveillance systems, meeting rooms, command centers, broadcast environments, classrooms, hospitals, industrial cabinets, airports, rail transportation systems, and many other project sites. Different project environments require priorities, from density and low loss to shielding, weather resistance, compatibility, easy maintenance, and long-term operational stability. Patch cables and adapters are the practical foundation that makes systems connect, operate, scale, and pass real project delivery standards. When selected correctly, they reduce risk, improve maintenance, and support long-term reliability across the full solution.